What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I have another special treat for you. This video is sponsored by GoGoCarbon. They supply me with a whole bunch of goodies, you might call it. I'm talking about from the exhaust cap overlays, rear trunk garnish, fuel cap cover. I'm talking about door handle scratch protectors, door bowl scratch protectors, this side vent overlay over here. They make a lot of quality products, and today I'm pleased to show you guys this bad boy right here. Look at that weave in the sun. These are the side view mirror cover caps. Now guys, they sell two versions of these. This is the one where you have a light or signal. That's why you have this groove right here, if you get my drift. Now the reason why I'm doing this, if you notice right here before, see this is a wrap right here. I had my mirrors wrapped. I'll put that video up, and I'll put other videos up with links so you can click on to see various installs from GoGoCarbon. But this wrap right here, I had this on for at least a year and a half. The wrap was nice. It was really nice. But now when you want to step into the big leagues and you're blessed to have a great sponsor, this is the kind of stuff that you get sent. Now, if you look at the weave, the difference between a wrap and this, there's a lot more depth to it. It's just a beautiful piece. I got nothing bad to say about it. You know what I mean? You're going from a wrap to an overlay cover, so it's beautiful. And as I said, these are for the 15 to 20 WRX STI. And guys, again, make sure you're getting the correct one. This is for if you have a turn signal and running light in one right here. That's why you have that cutout. All right guys, so in the box you have a high horsepower sticker, you got a thank you note, and you have your pair of side view mirror cover caps. Now I really don't have to go into depth and explain how beautiful this weave is. This 3K weave is freaking lit, like insane. And it has a freaking beautiful UV resistant coating on it to protect the finish, because obviously this is going to be battling the elements outside of your car, summer, winters, whatever the case might be. Now, if you're asking, well, why the hell am I doing this in the sun? There's a method to my madness. The reason being, it's a cold day today, in case you don't know. And I wanted these caps to warm up in the sunlight so you have better adhesion for the 3M tape on the cover cap. The cover cap is already nice and warm. So is this. And I wanted to show you guys real quick, I just put one on. I haven't stuck it yet, but I put one on just for show, and the fitment is precisely on point. Now, in case you don't know how to take this off, I'm going to show you. Okay, so you come up to your mirror like so, push it in like this, and you come from the corner, okay, and you would take a pry tool. My mirrors or my cover pieces have been off so many times that it's actually easy for me, and I know the sweet spot. So you insert the pry tool right here and you move it forward, pull, that piece comes out. Now you take off the bottom first, then you go for the top. What you do is right under here there's a little space, put 2 to 3 fingers right here and you pull forward. You're gonna hear a click and it just comes out, and that's really it. All right guys, I mentioned this before. Make sure you clean down the cap, your stock cap first. Set it there. Now, once you got your 3M tape off the new piece, this is the easiest way to do this. Now, I chose to take mine off because I know I can maneuver it a lot better in the air rather than just being on the car. So what you want to do is this bottom elbow right here, you want to put that bad boy in there first and set it in, and it falls into place. right here in the corner. Once you put that in there, you're pretty much straight. All right, guys, the install is complete. Once you finish sticking everything to the correct specs, put the pieces back on your side view mirrors and you're done. Look at that bad boy glistening in the sun. Fitment is really, really nice. I love the depth of it. Damn, guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Beautiful piece, man. Beautiful pieces. Love it. The fitment is on point. Guys, definitely check me out also on Wicked Whips 2.0. Check in the description of this video where I'll put a link where you can get 10% off on GoGoCarbon site and or Amazon. They have a really dope Amazon store where you can get a lot of stuff, and they've blessed me with a code where you can get 10% off. So I'll list all that stuff in the description, but man, that is beautiful. All right, guys. Once again, definitely like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for joining me. Take it easy.